Here is our large square storage ottoman, which surpassed our expectations in both looks and luxury. We've been using this not only as a footrest with this high density comfort foam, but also neatly storing away daily activities like our books, puzzles, and daily things we like having easy access to but don't want to see all the clutter when it's not in use. So this multifunctional lift top design may be my favorite part because not only do both sides open up to create all this storage space inside, but one side also serves beautifully as a lap desk, a food tray, and just so many possibilities for this. It's the perfect size for our medium couch downstairs and our larger couch upstairs. And this color and fabric is high quality and just all around gorgeous. The beautiful wooden legs allow you to move the ottoman around, or you could easily twist them off if you don't want any floor gap. This comes unassembled but with all the items you need for easy installation.